The first handheld cell phone was made for public and called Motorola DynaTAC 8000X in 1973 by Martin Cooper. The device weighed 1.1 kg and offered a talk time of only 30 minutes and took 10 hours to recharge. It was available to consumers but cost almost $4,000. Fast forward to 2007, finally Apple iPhone was introduced by Steve Jobs. It was the first touchscreen phone that combined the future of cell phone, pocket computers, and multimedia player. Since then, Apple has been inventing new iPhones continuously, progressing us forward since the first cell phone of 1973. The 1970s was not only showcased technological advances, dance also grew during this decade. Disco dance is primarily an African-American genre and was popularized in the US in 1970s. Dancers in discos danced in freestyle approach and improvised their own dance styles and dance steps. That's why disco dance became popular. Popular styles of disco dancing include the bump, penguin, boogaloo, watergate, and the robot. In particular, hustle, that is also one of disco dancing style, and couple dances extremely became popular at that time. The first hustle was created in 1972 and didn't even have the name hustle. It was 5-step count with no turn. Now, the couple dance form of hustle is usually called New York hustle and has some resemblance to and steps in common with swing and salsa dancing. In 1977, the film Saturday Night Fever premiered, contributed disco's rise in mainstream popularity and became pop culture references. Just as cell phones are intrinsically liberal to American popular culture, disco and its liberal attitude has made an impact in American popular culture.
The first televisions were not anything like how you think of them today. As early as the 1900s, scientists started working on what would be soon known as the television. It wasn't until 1928 that televisions were sold to the public for home use. It would be another 20 years until these televisions would be in color instead of black and white. The first televisions were cathode ray tube sets and would display red, green, and blue lights on the screen into the form of a picture. In this day and age, we now have what are called pixels, which make for a much clearer image. Ever since the dawn of the television, it has had an impact on dance. During the years of the Great Depression, people would participate in what were known as dance marathons. In hopes of winning up to $1,000, people would dance within a break for weeks and months at a time. People were able to buy tickets to view it in person, but those who were lucky enough to own a television would watch from their own homes. The television was able to put dance on the map and made it available for more people to watch, which made it much more popular. The television also gave choreographers a new medium to explore with. Now, we have many varying types of dance in television and film. With shows like So That You Can Dance and America's Best Dance Crew, dancers are now able to showcase their skills all over the world. There are also celebrities endorsing dance with shows like Dancing with the Stars. Television has made everyone able to enjoy the art of dance from the comfort of their own home.
The earliest invention of computers is nothing like the computers of our modern age today. The first computers were large and impersonal and had many different buttons and functions, needing a handful of people to operate them. In our current era, computers now come in a range of smaller sizes and can now be classified with laptops and tablets as well. Modern computers became useful in order to access the internet and receive information at a faster and broader pace. People have computers in their homes, at work, and at school, and have the opportunity to search things deemed important or good things for amusement. Computers have impacted the world of art, but in this instant dance, in major ways outside of the dance studio, many artists have found that they have utilized the technological advances of computers in order to enhance their performance. For example, There are different softwares that allow you to create choreography through your computer. Although media is YouTube, anyone can access it and it allows dancers to post choreography videos, watch others to learn different dances, and just to share performances across the World Wide Web. You are even able to see a dance competition online. In arcades, people can play a type of computerized dance game called Dance Revolution, where you tap on buttons with your feet and it corresponds to the virtual dancer on the screen. Another version is Just Dance, which is a computer and video game for virtual dancing. The most modern way people are utilizing computational technology through dance is in order to enhance live performance. They use lights and animation to put on shows and impress the audience. Computers have greatly enhanced the dance experience for everyone.